Oh, there. This is a re-upload because my math was quite bad. I don't totally understand. I know how to draw the pentagon or the pentacle, and I know that the divine proportion is all over it. However, here you have a golden rectangle. You can see that we need the hypotenuse of a triangle that is too tall, that where one leg is 1 and one leg is 2. So we're going to have a radius that is twice as big as a second one, and then we find this square root of 5 that we use as the radius for our third circle, and that is because of the Pythagorean theorem where c squared equals a squared plus b squared. If it's 1 and 2, then that would be 1 squared plus 2 squared, which is 5. We do the inverse operation to get to c, and that happens to be the square root of 5. This is a cheat for any time you need a perpendicular bisector. You can just fold your paper vertically and horizontally. Then we are going to make a circle. That will be divided into 4 sections. Now we need to make a circle that is half the size. We can find half the radius by leaving the compass exactly where it is, but moving the pointy part to 3 o'clock. Now I have a perpendicular bisector. When I connect the intersection, the points of intersection at the top and the bottom, boom, that'll give me half the radius. Readjust the compass, draw a circle from that point right there, and eventually this diagonal is going to be cut, and it will give us that sort of square root of 5, I believe, for the third circle. That's our secret sauce right there that we're gonna find and take it and steal it after we make the second circle, which is half the size, half the radius of the first. And then if you can see that yellow line segment, that's what we need to find right there. So I'm going to take my compass, put the pointy part at 6 o'clock, or the South Pole if that were the Earth, and then adjust it. My phone is going to fall. Super high-tech setup I have here. Okay, there we go. Adjust your compass. And then this is our third, you'll see it's just a little bit more. This is our third circle. I guess I just did the arc, but from there to there is 1/5 of the total circumference. So now we're going to take that distance. That should be 1/5. Make a little mark there. That's a little bit off, but oh, it's going to fall again. Boom. Ah. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one of them should be 1/5 of the total circumference, or close. And then you just connect those 5 points, and you're going to have a pentagon. You can connect the points to get a 5-pointed star, pentacle. Or you just leave it right like that. Pentagon.